Namaste to all. My outlook is little changed, but I have confidence that you all will recognize me. Hope all of you and your family members are best in health. We, my family members, colleagues, staff, all are well and getting ready to rejoin the duties in a planned manner. I have taken a little pause and I have come to you with the same subject. Since government has released guidelines about lifting of lockdown, hope it has reached you all and you must be aware of them also. I am not talking about restart of our own business activity. Please note that we all will be going to start our own business activity in a new culture, in a new manner, in a new way of business rules for the new challenging COVID-19 situation. So I decided to share with you some of my thoughts based on the guidelines of WHO and my individual thoughts. Hope you will consider the following and keep yourself ready for the business activity in a new venture. As you all know, I'll just little refresh. COVID-19 coughs and exhales, they release droplets of infected fluids. Most of these droplets fall on nearby surfaces and objects such as desks, tables, telephones. People could catch COVID-19 by touching the contaminated surfaces or objects. And then if anyone coming in contact touches their eyes, nose, mouth, the spread starts. So whenever you intend to restart your workplace, office, please keep in mind following points and bring them in a day-to-day practice. We have to understand it very seriously as we will be now exposing every one of us to the world after especially lockdown. So we need to understand some important points. The very first, when you get exposed, always keep distance of 1 meter of every person coming to your premises or workplace. Second, make sure your workplace are clean and hygienic. Surfaces and objects need to be wiped off with disinfectants regularly. I'll be giving separate probable list about cleaning and hygiening the objects. The third one, hand washing by employees, contractors and customers at frequent intervals. So we have to make them available place to wash the hands with soap and water too. Display posters for the rules to obey in your premises related to COVID-19. Also display posters promoting respiratory hygienes. Make available face masks or paper tissues at your workplace for customers and especially for those who develop a running nose or cough at work, along with closed bins for hygienically disposing of the masks. If your business needs that employees and contractors to go on business travel, then they should be well aware of travel advice before going on any business trip. Also, before finalizing tour, you have to assess the benefits of the tour, loss in case the tour is avoided, risk in the tour, then finalize the tour. I mean, you have to compare all this before you finalizing the tour. Now, you also have to avoid seniors, people above 50 years of age to go on tour, or person having illnesses like cough, cold, etc. Further, you have to make them available with the sanitizers, gloves if required. Then also before tour, you have to take a note of COVID-19 condition situation at the place where your employee or a contractor is likely to reach. Further, on return from the tour, attender to be monitored to avoid COVID-19. Please keep educated your employees, contractors, customers that if COVID-19 starts spreading in your community, anyone with even a mild cough or a low graded fever needs to stay at home. Any business meeting need to take extra care about COVID-19, such as 1 meter distancing, hand wash, sanitizers, they all should be available. Prefer digital meetings on laptops, computers, WhatsApps, or teleconferences or online events. Keep register for noting the visitors in your premises. The visitors register should contain name, mobile number, address of their office or address of their residence, email address, reason for visiting, and all that. Use this for regular business meetings also. Further, inform the visitors that it will be shared with the government authorities if required. One more thing, we have to develop a habit to avoid handshaking to welcome any visitor to your premises. Use our own Indian style Namaste. Further, we will have to keep working area well ventilated, keep windows open, doors open, avoid as far as possible air conditioners. Now, before starting the workplace, ready to use after 6 to 7 weeks close down, we need to consider individually certain points at our end. Very first thing, take information of employees whether all are in health, not suffering from cough, cold, fever or any of such diseases. Further, employee need to avoid as far as possible public transport. Further, you have to make a plan to avoid much public attendance in your premises, but completing the required work without physical presence. Communicate your plan to all your business contacts before you start your own business activity. Make clear that plan is for everybody's health and well-being and much needed to avoid COVID-19 spread. Use disposable cups for tea and coffee. I will suggest here, instead of tea and coffee, please offer preferably lime and water, limbu sharbat or kokum sharbat. It increases the immunity too. Now we'll come to little era of cleanliness. At the opening of workplace or office, clean with soap water. All the floors, walls, doors, windows, window grills, glass, railings of the staircase, etc. Keep cleaning every day preferably. All these things. After 1 or 2 months, you can consider the effect of COVID-19 available and you can prefer the intervals of cleaning all these things weekly or fortnightly. Clean daily your machinery, tools, tips, furniture, table, chairs, handles of cupboard and all the doors. This is very much important. Windows, chairs, drawers, computers, laptops, keyboards. Further, its connecting wires, light switch buttons, switchboard and cash box, water taps, telephones, mobiles in your workplace. If you have a counter sale, use hand gloves. Also give disposable hand gloves to the customer who handles the product when they access your product to purchase the same. Use of shoe racks to keep customer their shoes outside the premises and better they enter than in your workplace. Give hand gloves to your every employee daily. Use daily fresh cleaned clothes and insist employees to wear it too. If using specs, goggles, keep them properly sanitized after frequent intervals. Masks need to be changed daily. Dispose the mask properly. We have to keep one thing in mind. We have to stop sharing certain things in day-to-day activity now. Like pens, ball pens, pencil, stationery, pen drives, hard disk, tools and tips, vehicles. Remember, if you share your vehicle with somebody, then handles of the vehicle should be cleaned. Office bags, laptops, its wire, mouse, they need to be taken care, and it is advisable before use of it that it is better you do not share it with somebody. If at all you have to share, you need to take care of the cleanliness. Be aware or rather avoid frequently going to the rush places like petrol pump, any business place, shops, public transport, cabs, taxis, auto rickshaw if there is a rush. As far as possible, cash handling be avoided and prefer digital transactions. Dosto, it is likely your business may need some different or additional awareness points, but I have set out some of minimum required care points. Hope you will consider the same. All this is because as your life is very much precious to your loved ones, it is very much needed as a results producing to your family and to our country. So take all the care, rejoin your business activity. Let's make together best of what we together can make. In case of any difficulty, queries, doubts, please call me or send WhatsApp message, or even you can mail me. I will conclude with saying हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, मन में है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब. थैंक यू. जय हिंद. नमस्ते.